is special in a very own way.
Look at all those people sitting out there in the seats. Not a single one of them repeats and repeats.
Some of them are little, some are very tall, some have lots of hair, some have none at all.
Some of them are singers, others like to dance. Some will play golf every day if the spouse give them a chance. But everyone is special in their very own way, just like every snowflake that is falling here today.
If it seems we're all alike, then part of that is true, but no one is exactly like no one else is you. As you grow, you look all around. Feels like you're more of the same. Like any other one, here comes another one, just with another name. Then someone shows they care about you. They shelter you from the sun. Now there is only you, there never could be two. The only one. You're one in a million. No underneath the sun. You're one in a million. The reason you're special are a million and one. Just one in a million, but you're a million and one.
With